Hey everyone, it's Marlene here and welcome back to another one of our videos. So guys, in today's video we are keeping it light and bright with these frozen air fryer green beans. So let's get started. Okay guys, this recipe is so easy. It's actually not even a recipe, it's more so of a how-to. So we're going to take the frozen green beans and we're going to place them in the air fryer so they can cook to perfection. So to begin, remove your green beans from the bag. Next, place the green beans in a bowl that's suitable for baking or in the air fryer basket. Then add in the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and olive oil. Once you are done, toss to combine. And now air fry your frozen green beans at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. And that's it. Guys, your green beans are ready for you to serve with your favorite dish. It's perfect with rice and any protein. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos often. Cheers!